Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can motion track in CapCut and make the like camera follow you. Super simple. You're just going to go to text and you're going to add in a text and you're just going to type in any letter you want. I find the best is a dot or a 0 or an O. And I'm just going to resize it so I can actually see the dot. Press the checkmark button, and I'm just going to place it on her face, but in the middle kind of. So I'm just going to put it here. I need to make this a little bit smaller. I can just do that. Maybe I can't. Okay, I can. Like here-ish. Actually, I'm going to zoom in on the video first. Forgot to do that. You need to do that first. And I'm just going to expand it like so. And I'm going to put it in the middle of her face like so. Then I'm going to select the video and add in keyframes. So I'm going to move it so it's here. And then every time her face moves, I'm going to add in a keyframe and move it like here. And I'm just going to keep on doing that. I'm just going to do it really quick so you guys can see the final result. Okay, I'm going to kind of zoom in a little bit so I can add in the keyframe where I want it to be. Like here, add another one. And it should look like this if you delete the circle. It's going to be a little bit like not smooth because I did it really quickly, but this is what it should look like. The camera is kind of following the person, as you can see. Oops. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!